How inflation is crashing your love life and how to save it. Did you know the cost of a dinner date has shot up by nearly 9% in just 1 year? Yep, inflation isn't just raising the price of gas, it's jacking up the price of love too. Your wallet's taking a bigger hit than a rom-com rejection scene. But don't swipe left on dating just yet. Stick around, because I've got the secrets to keep romance alive without going broke. Welcome to Dumb It Down, where we cut the jargon, keep it snappy, and make big ideas simple. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so our videos come to you fresh from the oven. In this video, we're diving into how inflation is flipping the dating game upside down. I'll break it down with hard numbers, share budget-friendly date hacks, and show you why money talks might be the new pillow talk. By the end, you'll be ready to date like a pro without needing a loan to do it. Dating's new price tag. Let's kick things off with the cold, hard cash facts. Dining out is up 7.7%, and if you're hitting a fancy full-service restaurant, that's an 8.9% jump. Even a casual drink? Up 4%. It's like the economy's saying, you want a date? Pay the romance tax. Seriously, 49% of Americans have said nope to dates altogether, just to save money. That's half of us ghosting romance because our bank accounts can't handle the heartbreak. Dating these days feels like you're funding a blockbuster movie, except there's no happy ending for your savings. But don't panic, there's a plot twist coming. Cheap dates, big wins. People aren't giving up, they're getting clever. Google searches for fun, cheap date night ideas have spiked by 240% in the last year. That's 250,000 lovebirds hunting for ways to woo on a budget. So, what's on the menu? How about a park stroll? It's free, it's scenic, and you can BYO snacks, bonus points if you pack PB&J like it's $19.99. Or try a home movie night. Pop some corn, dim the lights, and boom. You've got a cinema vibe for the price of a Netflix sub. Who needs $15 popcorn when you've got a couch and cuddles? Feeling social? Host a potluck? Everyone brings a dish, and you've got a feast without the fancy bill. It's like a group date where the only thing you're splitting is the grocery list. And if you're into warm fuzzies, volunteer together, free, meaningful, and you might just bond over saving the world one soup kitchen shift at a time. See? You don't need a fat wallet for a full heart. Money, the new love language. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Or should I say, the piggy bank in the bedroom. Talking cash with your date can feel like defusing a bomb. One wrong word, and kaboom. Awkward silence. But here's why it's worth it. There's this trend called cash-candid dating. People laying their financial cards on the table right from the start. Why? Because 35% of couples are fighting more since inflation cut their date nights. No one wants to find out their soulmate's drowning in debt after the I love yous are out. Even dating apps are jumping in, adding financial filters so you can match with someone who gets your money vibe. It's like Tinder, but for people who'd rather split a pizza than a $100 tab, and it works. When you're both on the same page, you can plan dates that fit your budget, like cooking together or hitting a free festival. It's less, show me the money, and more, let's make it work. Romance versus receipts. So, is inflation killing romance? Not quite. It's birthing something cooler. Experiential dating. Think less fancy dinner, more shared adventure. Instead of dropping $50 at a concert, you're at a free park jam session. Spa day too pricey? Trade shoulder rubs at home. It's dating with a DIY twist, and honestly, it's kind of a glow-up. These moments don't just save cash. They build real connections. Inflation's like that tough love friend who forces you to ditch the shallow stuff and get to the good part. So, inflation's shaking up dating, but it's not game over. It's a new level. With some creativity, a little honesty, and a lot less spending, you can keep the sparks flying without torching your budget. Here's your cheat sheet. Set a dating budget. Know your limit and stick to it. Talk money early. It's not sexy, but it's smart. Think cheap and fun. Parks beat pricey plates any day. Chase experiences. The memories go a long way. Shop local when you can. It's cheaper and keeps your town vibin'. Love doesn't need a luxury price tag. It just needs you. What's your go-to budget date idea? Drop it in the comments. I need inspiration too. Let's help each other keep love alive without selling our souls to the inflation monster. If this video saved your wallet or your next date, smash that like button. Subscribe for more life hacks in these wild times and share it with your crew. Because romance shouldn't cost an arm, a leg, or your last dollar. See you next time. Happy dating, and keep that change in your pocket.